What's up, guys? My name is Christopher. Right now, we're currently touring here community Kapili, included in Pohaku Estates, Ho'opili's 25-year master plan community. And today, we're going to be showing you a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom ground floor units priced at about $630,000 to about $650,000, depending on when you're watching this video. But a little bit about Kapili. One of the comments I always receive from my clients is the shared driveway. Some people like it, some people don't like it. I see what Ho'opili is doing. They're kind of clusterizing units a little bit more to really reduce that price point. So for some people, that's what's most important. And so they do choose units like this. But right now, I'm gonna show you a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom configuration that doesn't include this driveway. In fact, it's a little bit more separated, more in the corner unit here. So let's go ahead and check this property out. Come on in. So right now we're located in Plan A, Kapili's ground floor 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom. This one is about 893 square feet of interior space. Let's not bore you. Let's go ahead and come on in and check this unit out. When you enter in, you are greeted with an open kitchen layout. And one of the personal favorite things I like about this configuration is the fact that the bedrooms are both on each end of the unit. But let's start with the kitchen. So you got a $630,000 price point that includes all of the appliances that you see here. It comes with a dishwasher safe, comes with the undermount sink here, beautiful size, and then you got soft close cabinets, and of course my personal favorite, air fryer style microwave. But real nice there. You got your French door, refrigerator, lots of space. Again, I really like the fact that this ground floor unit really does have a nice flow. It's quaint, it's smaller size, but I can see a type of individual who just don't like the stairs, that just want to have less maintenance type of job or work here. This is what we call a drop zone area, perfect to drop your keys, put down your computer whenever you enter the property. I love the fact that there's a high bar countertop here, perfect for entertaining guests. But before we head on over to the primary bedroom, let's go ahead and check out the right-hand bedroom here. You got your stacked washer and dryer, and man, I don't know if the video can justify the space here, but this is actually a fairly long bathroom here. You got a single sink, you got the toilet, and then you got a tub style bathroom here. I love that they always do that. They make one tub and one step in, because if you have maybe a baby that wants to, do some type of bubble bath, that would be the perfect type of bathroom there. And over onto right behind the cameraman here, you got your first bedroom. Got split system AC, by the way, all included with the property. This one specifically has 3 total split system AC. But let's check out the primary bedroom. I like how all the bedrooms are kind of intact with the backyard space. I'll show you that in a little bit. Then you got the walk-in closet over to my right-hand side. And correction, it's not a step-in shower. This one actually includes a tub-style shower configuration as well. So you got single sink, then you got your toilet, then you got another tub here for the primary bedroom. All right, but what is the biggest key feature or selling main point of this unit? Is probably the backyard space. Let's go ahead and check that one out next. All right, heading over to the backyard area. So if I was to condense why these homes have been selling out so fast, it's probably this. Normally here on the island, getting a yard size for $630,000, and it looks exactly like this with this much space. And let me just step back here just to justify on the camera how huge this yard space is. It's humongous. Lots of activities here. But there is one comment that some of my clients have mentioned about this specific configuration or unit, and that is the balcony space up there. So again, that one is included on a separate unit over onto the right-hand side there. So it is a walk-up 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom. Again, it's kind of a trade-off. This one, you can buy it with a large yard, but no car garage. You get 2 open parking stalls, or you can buy a second floor unit, 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom with a balcony space, and does include a car garage. So it just depends on what you're looking to get into and what's most important to you. But other than that, let's go ahead and come back into the unit. I love this living room space, by the way. I love how all of the windows here just kind of lights up the entire living area. Natural lighting, perfect for just your morning breeze, morning sunlight coming inside of the property. Again, this is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom at about 893 square feet of interior space. It's a ground floor, 2 open parking stalls. If this is something that may interest you or might fit the budget, go and reach out to us. This is Community Kapili over at Ho'opili Pohaku Estates, 25-year master plan community. Reach out to Chris. Thanks for watching.